What's up, guys? And I'm in Build a Boat for treasure with my brother Luke. What are we doing today, Luke?
We're gonna be grinding. We're pretty much just gonna be grinding till we get a boat to make it to the end.
Yes, we are.
And I don't know about my brother what he has right now, but I don't have much, so I'm pretty much gonna have to grind a lot.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
So, what do you say? We get into it now?
Yeah, let's get into it.
All right, bet.
So,
All right.
yeah, let's build a boat together.
All right, bet.
I really don't have that much.
I have 9 wooden blocks.
I have 10. Here. This is gonna be my space. Okay, let's see. I'm probably gonna have to use a bunch of different colors because I don't have that much blocks. What about you, Luke?
I have 50 of these blocks, but that's not gonna be a lot to get to the
Yeah.
end. So, if you want to pass every single one, you do have to have good enough amount of stuff. So.
I know, we gotta build a good wall. Because if we don't have good walls, then we're not gonna make it that far. Because we gotta be hitting off of stuff. Mine is not the best. My side's not the best, but it better work. Yeah. Yeah, mine does not look good. Look at mine. It has to do.
Yeah, we don't talk about that.
Yeah. I'm gonna put one of these back here. Do you have one of those? Do you have one of these?
What?
One of these?
Hold on, you're gonna want to move that so it's like touching, because
Oh, okay.
I do have one actually.
Okay, I'm gonna put one in the middle. Oh, yeah. Get rid of that. And then I'm gonna have who has the drop?
This engine's gonna fall off.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, put it like right there. Yeah, line them up so that. Oh yeah, that actually. This is actually gonna look pretty decent, I think.
Yeah, your side will, not mine.
We'll see.
I got a seat, and then I don't know. I'm just gonna put a bunch of balloons because I don't know, for fun.
And just put like a few of these type of seats. And how many do you have of these seats?
Oh, this is my oh, those seats. This is basically my only seat.
Do you have any of these seats?
I don't know. I'm putting a bunch of balloons just because I'm bored.
You should put a seat in like around the middle in case like our seats fall off.
Yeah, I'm just putting a bunch of balloons everywhere. I don't know.
Right.
Just don't
There's
ask.
a bunch of seats in case any of ours fall off.
Oh, I have some stools. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. That's my.
Okay, I'm gonna have this one.
That's covering my seat.
Oh, we gotta build some walls. At least for my side.
Delete these. Delete these. They're covering my seat.
Okay. And then I need to build some walls for my side.
Yeah,
I don't know, whatever these blocks will have to work.
Ooh, those look kind of cool.
I know. Let's hope and pray that they actually work.
Let Amelia tries to join our team, do not accept that. I do not know who he is, but he tried to join.
Yeah, do not accept that. This has to work for now.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna place it.
We gotta make a full wall. Hopefully this doesn't blind us.
Bro, has Amelia requested you yet?
No, I don't think so. I'm paying attention.
He's requested me 2 times already, bro. Like.
Okay, this is gonna have to work for me.
I haven't played this in a little while, so.
Nope, my seat is over here to die. Gonna have to move this seat. Oh, I'm stuck. Help. Oh. Gonna have to move my seat.
Oh, guys, and I'll show you guys a glitch at the around the end of this video to make a boat to get to the end.
Yeah, I'm learning too. I do not know this glitch.
I'll show all y'all.
Okay, let's launch. I'm ready to launch.
Yeah. Alright, wait. Give me 1 second. Just place them on the there.
Place all the balloons you have.
Those are all the ones I have already placed.
Okay, let's go. You ready?
1 second. No.
This boat looks ugly. Yeah, I would be surprised if this gets to the end.
Nah, bro. First boat of the video, and it can get to the end.
I know. You done?
If that happens, we're just gonna change like what we're doing.
Yeah.
Like we'll just like change the subject, like not.
Okay, Okay, I'm gonna launch. And 3,
All right.
2, 1, go.
Wrong way.
Wrong way. No, okay, good.
Wait, who's gonna do the steering?
You do the balloons.
Alright. Oh, you want me to do the balloon?
You just click on every balloon.
Bet.
I'm not that good at steering. I got.
Look, watch this. Ready? F on your keyboard. Click F.
F. Oh, look at all these balloons. Ouch.
Wait, let me.
Ouch.
Some that aren't really activated yet.
Yeah, we need a steer. Oh, ow. Oh, dodging and weaving.
Oh,
Okay,
guys, I'm
we
also.
got through the second one.
I'll also show you guys a little secret. There's a little secret room place, and it has a few things in there. I haven't played this game
Let's
in a
save
little
that
while,
to the
so
end.
it might-
Let's save that to the end.
Yeah, I know. I don't even know if it's still here. I haven't played this in a while, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But
Ouch, ouch.
oh yeah, it is. It's up there.
Ouch,
Yeah, guys,
ouch.
it's right up there. That thing right there. That's doing that. You just have to walk in. You can walk in there. You walk in there. There'll be something that you walk in to like the treasure chest. It'll open.
Yeah,
and
and let's explore it until the very end.
yeah, we'll actually show you that.
Ouch, ouch. Uh-oh. Get away from the boxes.
Yep, you can.
Oh, we're fine. We're fine. What the heck is going on?
Help me.
Oh, you're dead?
I'm dying.
No.
No, stop moving.
What? No. I'm dying. I'm dying. No. No. Oh, we're on the top. Ouch. No. Ouch. Help, Luke. Help.
Come in.
You're leaving me to die. Ow. Oh. Why did you leave me to die? Oh. Well, I'm gonna be waiting for Luke, but I'm gonna start building without him. Let's see. I'm building my side. And then he can build his when he dies. He's probably gonna. Okay. Nope. Let's go to these. Yeah, I'm gonna make a big all around wall. Okay. This is almost coming. I'm almost done with my big all around wall. No, and then this will be the entrance, and then I have 3 of these, and then I have 3 of these, and then I'll do this. I'll have all of these balloons. All these balloons all around. Where is Luke? Yo, I'm gonna call him. Yo, let's actually see where Luke is. Yo.
Chase?
Yeah, are you making it to, or did you make it to the end?
No.
Yo, are you making it to the end? You hanged up. Oh, he's here. Luke!
What's up?
What's up? So I made this whole side. I started a little bit without you, but
Click clear all in your inventory.
no, because you build your side. I already built my side. Well, but you gotta help. I don't have enough blocks to build a full wall, so I think I need help with the Okay. You're building your side out of clear glass. Yeah, where did you get, Luke? How far did you get?
I got like from like the second to last one.
Wow. Yeah.
Not too bad actually.
Yeah. You got way far ahead of me. I'm surprised it got that far. What about you?
Yeah.
Help me build the wall. Luke.
Come on. On your side?
Yeah, I need a little bit of
I
help
don't have
building.
any blocks.
Me neither, but we gotta make it work.
Yeah, well, I can't help you build with my own blocks. Won't work, I don't think.
No, on my side, yeah.
I know, on your side. Oh,
I have 8 of these, and then this is gonna be like the rest of my blocks.
I'm just gonna delete some that I don't need over here. Like I just.
Oh, this is a good enough wall that I'm gonna have. Wait, is that on the bottom or is that clear glass? I
Huh?
can't tell. Is that glass on the bottom?
Yeah, it's glass.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna patch up that foot with a trap door. Let's see. I can patch that up. I'm just patching everything up with whatever I have. Any blocks?
Alright, this is good.
No, we want this to go to the end. And then, no, get some propellers or whatever it is on the back.
I already did. See mine right there.
Okay, now this time I'm gonna be in charge of the. Okay, now let's launch. You're in charge of steering it.
Alright, bet.
Okay. This should work better than the last one because we actually have it stable with all these walls. But if we flip over, we're like dead. We're gone.
Once we work our way up, we're gonna be able to get a roof.
Yeah.
So that should be good.
But if we hit the end, then you're in charge of showing us that secret.
Yeah, and the glitch.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
Yes. Oh, I'm going backwards. Okay. Okay. We're going far. I have a feeling we're gonna go far. Oh, some of our balloons. Our balloons! Oh. Okay, this is probably gonna be kinda hard. We are going to have to get through this into the bowling alley. Ouch, 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 ouch. Nope, nope. This is hard. This is. Get out here quick. Luke, you gotta get out. quick, as fast as we can. Or we might, this one might be the end. Okay, good. Now dodge the balls. The bowling balls, I meant. Dodge them. Squeeze. Squeeze through. Okay. Squeeze
There's a
through
kid
that.
jumping right there.
You gotta squeeze through. Oh, we got through there. And now the honeycomb.
Why is there a bowling ball in there?
I don't know. We're actually making it pretty far. Oh, Luke.
No. Get in one of the seats.
Ouch.
One more motor. Well, we do. Those were our only seats.
We might get it pretty far.
This is what I had to do last time. I had to stand up. There was a few. Oh my god.
Oh.
There was only a few.
No, there's a
blocks
wave. There's a
left
wave.
in that-
There's a wave.
Ah!
Oh my god. No. We're on top. I'm on top. I'm on top.
No, I'm not. No.
Oh, that's Luke. That's Luke. No. No, this way. No. I gotta land. I wanna land on it. Oh, I got through. I'm through. I'm in the poison. I might make it to the end. But without Luke. Ouch. If I'm lucky, we might make it to the end. No. Oh, we made it. No, we did not yet. We didn't yet. We didn't make it yet. Can we stand this? Can we stand? No. Please. Can we make it? No, can we make it? If we can get... No. It might not be it. Oh my gosh. Ouch. No! Oh, we were so... Where is Luke? Nah, where's Luke? We almost made it. Not answering.
Hey.
Hey, what's up? I made
I
it
just
to the
showed them-
no, I made it to the lighthouse. I didn't finish it, but you know how there's all those rocks?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we couldn't make it through the rocks. We gotta make it way bigger and stronger. Just
Okay, and Oscar Chase.
yes.
Do you want to see the glitch real quick? I just showed them it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so do you have these things?
No. Oh, let's see. No.
Alright, go to you
Wait,
see
these
menu on the
things?
side of
Wait,
your
these
screen?
things?
Yeah.
Okay.
How many do you have of them?
3.
Good. Alright. So now take any block of your choice. Put one down.
Okay. Let me.
Alright, then put one next to it. And then another next to it.
Okay.
And then put one like this.
Okay.
And then the other one goes right there.
Okay.
Now do you have these things? Oh, you do. I know you do because I saw
Yeah.
you do some earlier. just click T. Click T so that it's facing upwards like this. It
Oh,
reverses it.
yeah.
If you spam T, so is it?
Yeah, it's up.
Alright, so now place it right there in the middle. Alright, good. Now stand on it. Like make it like so you're like good in the middle. Yeah, and now take these blocks, put one right there, and you have to be inside of it. That's a sand block.
Wrong one. This. So now let me. Okay.
Yeah, now put another one on top.
Okay.
Put big one on the top. And now we one. And now just jump.
Oh. 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 I'm dying. I'm dying. Oh. Oh. Luke. I'm gonna join him. I'm gonna join him. Place 3.
You just
Yeah.
ran right off.
No, I flew out.
You have to see this replay after this, bro. And from my point of view, it looked hilarious. You were like, oh, and then you just straight up.
I know. And then I'm gonna get on top of it.
Yeah, isn't this a cool wish though?
Yeah.
You're gonna be like, it's gonna be hard for you right now because. Wait, I'm gonna see how that works.
Oh, wrong way, wrong way. Oh. Bro, one of my friends are inviting me. Ow! Ooh. I think we might be able to reach the end. Nope, 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 no! Yo, I reached to the octopus area. Luke. I reached to the octopus area.
So here's the thing. I forgot to tell you. You have to go through, like you have to go inside of them.
I was inside of them.
You went over, I saw.
Well, it worked.
Didn't you go over all of them?
Well, it worked.
It didn't. You didn't get your gold for going past them.
For what?
Chase, if you go to the end, you won't. It won't let you open the chest. You'll die because it doesn't let you.
Why?
Because you have to go through all of them. I don't know. It's weird.
What you mean? No, I know. I didn't go through all of them.
Yeah, you have to go through all of them, or else it won't count them.
I know. What's it called? No, I was going through it.
You were?
Yeah. I died at the octopus area. Rom, keep going this way. Ouch. Nope. Through. Okay. Okay. I'm going through. Going through the bowling ball. Nope. Ouch, 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 ouch. Yeah. Where the heck is Luke? Because now he needs to show us the secret. I need to catch up with him.
Don't launch
Yo,
yet,
Luke.
don't launch.
Yo, Luke.
What?
You have to show us now the secret.
Alright. Don't launch yet. I'll tell you. Follow me, okay?
Okay. Now launch.
Don't go too fast.
No, no. Oh, I gotta go over. Luke. I'm gonna reset. I think you need to go to the very top because if you look through the side. Let's go. Yo, Luke. I died. I died by accident. Luke. I died by accident.
Well, so I don't think you can. Don't build it again. Don't build it again.
Okay.
Let's try this one. Just make something. To just drive.
Yeah. Okay, and then what do we do?
Okay.
And then we build a wall? Wait, no.
Here, sit in the seat.
Okay.
Wait, no, don't steer. Don't steer.
Okay, I won't.
Stop.
So, what area is that?
Well, I don't know. Like, I do know. Like, it's that like the spaghetti ball area thing, like, but I don't know where that thing went.
Oh, it's not yet. It's spaghetti ball. Left. It's not here anymore. They refreshed
And why was
it.
it here just a second ago?
Because they refreshed it.
Already?
Yeah.
Like, wait, is it gone for good or does it just refresh back?
It refreshes. It's gonna be a little while though. That's fine. So, guys, we're probably not gonna.
I think this is where the spaghetti ball area would be, right? Not here.
Oh. Yeah, but guys, we're probably not gonna show you the secret, but because
We will if it comes back.
refreshed. But if it comes back, but it refreshed.
If it takes way too long to come back, then we're not going to.
Yeah.
We love you guys, but like we have stuff to do.
Yeah. I'm going live at 3, so we can't wait. But if you're watching this, like the day it comes out, make sure you join. Make sure you join this live, and that I'm gonna have, and I hope to see you
Crap,
there.
crap.
Bye. Bye, guys.